Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and happy Mass Monday. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day today. It is another Monday, and oh my goodness, getting to be the end of October. It's just hard to believe that we're just a couple of months away from Christmas. Time is flying. Today I have on a Tony Moly mask, and it is the Pore Care, and it's red wine. These masks are very good, and we're going to do a little bit of that while we talk today. And I have a Patchology eye mask on. It's a rejuvenating eye gel mask, and I guess it's going to rejuvenate my eyes. So I'm looking forward to that. When I put them on, it did come in a little sleeve like this with the eye gel patches on, and they're clear. And so I have them on underneath this Pore Care red wine mask from Tony Moly. So guys, I have several things to share with you today. One is my Earfleek. It came in. I wanted to share that with you. And then I have some friend mail. So I'm going to start off with Earfleek. And I get this once a month. It comes in this little envelope. It says, "Life's too short to have a boring style." And it's what it says on the back. And then when you pull the tab, we have our pink package. And they always package their earrings in this nice, shiny, bright pink package. And the Earfleek is about $4.30 a month, and you get a pair of earrings. They have cute style, I think kind of like a classic style and a minimalist style. So you can kind of choose your style. They let you vote on what is going to work for you. And let's see what we got this month. I usually like more of a classic look. I'm not much of the cutesy, but I never know for sure what I'm going to get. And today I'm getting studs, it looks like. And they always send a little note card, but not this time. It's empty. I wonder if it's in here. Nope, no note card, so we don't have like an intro to this. What we have are the studs in this cute little pink bag, and let's see what they look like. They are like this. What is that? I'm not quite sure what they're supposed to be. Let me see if I can get them on this thing a little better so we can take a better look at them. They look to be like a rose gold color. And I guess they're just like little love knots is what I would call them. And they do send us a little ticket that says they're $15.99 retail, which, you know, that might be debatable, but that's what they say. And it's a fun little subscription. You never know what you're going to quite get. And this is definitely one of those occasions. So those are very cute, and you can even see them inside there. They're just small and dainty. And like I said, they're cute. They'll make a nice little gift. That is my Earfleek for, I think, for October or for September. I get confused on their scheduling. Sometimes I don't get things till the end of the month or into the next of the first month. But if you're interested in Earfleek, they're $4.39 a month, and I have a link down in my description, and you can save $1.97 off your first pair of Earfleek earrings. And I will tell you, I get it in a 6-month subscription, and it is $25 for 6 months. So they do have tiers breaking price if you go for a longer time in your subscription. And each month you'll get a nice little pair of earrings. You let me know what you think. Are they something you would like? Now, I have lots of friend mail from Plush Bat Fan. I don't know if the post office held these up, but I have several postcards, and I'm going to do them in the order that he's got the dates on them. And I got them all last week after Mass Monday of last week. And I have a postcard, Hello Kitty, togetherness brings happiness, and isn't that so cute? Oh yeah, that is so cute. And it says, "Here's a special Hello Kitty postcard for yours to keep as a souvenir from our friend at Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan." That is really, really cute. I love that. Thank you very much. And last week we got some Hello Kitties. Do you remember? Now this is the next one that we got. It looks like this. Have a nice summer. It says, "Here's a rare Sanrio postcard for yours to keep as a nice collectible, Plush Bat Fan." And this one was dated October 11th. And this one was dated October 4th. And like I said, I got them all within the last last week. And then this one says, welcome to our class. Here's a special class invitation postcard for yours to keep as a souvenir. Have a wonderful autumn season. Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan, and it's dated October 13th, 2023. So those were my postcards, and those are very cute postcards. Thank you very much. Inside this package, I got some Hello Kitty tags for my collection, I'm sure. And this has a to from on there for your Hello Kitty. And then he's got a note typed out here, and it says, inside this package is stacks of Hello Kitty thank you cards and Hello Kitty tags and stickers. We will use Hello Kitty plush dolls for Christmas decorations rather than installing a Christmas tree, because building a Christmas tree can take too long and can be kind of hectic. Have a wonderful fall season. Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan, October 12th, 2023. And inside here, I have some thank you cards. Hello Kitty thank you cards. Aren't those cute? Wow, thank you very much. And I probably have some little envelopes that'll fit those just perfect. So those are very cute. Thank you. I love those. And this is what it looks on the back. And of course, these are really very cute. Go well with my little scrapbooking project that I'm doing. And then I have this package came next. And in here we have all kinds of things. Here's a bundle of takeout menus and coupons for yours to keep as nice souvenirs from Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan, and this was dated October 18th. And in here we just have a variety of postcards and mailers of all kinds of businesses in their area. Oh, looky there, Molly Maid. Have you all heard of Molly Maid? I've never heard of that. We've got a tavern and market, just all kinds of little cards. The tree expert. My son used to work for Asplin Tree, so he knew all about being a tree expert and still does. They called Budget Brothers. Termite and Pest. That's an interesting name. Then we got solar, cars, garage, just a variety, windows, food. Just all kinds of cards. There's just tons of cards here. Maybe I should just do it like this. It's almost like flashcard. There's so many of them. Look at all that. And we still have more. Look at this. That one looks good. Old-fashioned crumb cake. Ooh, do y'all remember crumb cake? My mother-in-law used to make a wonderful crumb cake out of different things. Apple and cherry, just all kinds. I bet you I've had a little of all of those just from her. She loved to cook. So just lots of little cards here and postcards for my collection. And then we have this Chinese restaurant. It says it's the Golden Harvest. And of course it's got their menu in there, the fried rice and all kinds of chicken a la king, curry chicken. I love curry chicken. Do you guys love curry chicken? This is the Thai kitchen, and it has red curry, yellow curry, green curry, basil. It's got a lot of spicy, nice foods there. That sounds good. And then we have the Sofa, not quite sure how you pronounce that, with its wine list. And we have this one. And then their menu. I can't speak that language, so I'm not even going to try. We got the Mandarin Chef, Chinese food, and then we have more menu items on there. We had the Asco Grill, and this one here has noodle bowls, it says. So they got a variety of things. And we have the Pepper Cafe, and that is something that looks like this. Calamari and chili. That sounds interesting. Lots of good food that they're having over there in Arizona. Thank you very much for my collection. And then the last thing that I have from him came in this envelope. In here we have another note, and it says, here's a couple of takeout menus for yours to keep as souvenirs, October 17th, 2023. This is Thai restaurant and a menu. That's their lunch special for $5.95. That's a pretty good price, actually. Wow. And then we have Chin, Chinese restaurant, and of course here's their specials on back. So that's quite the variety of menus and advertising cards. Very nice. Thank you very much, Flashback Fan. And then we also got Earfleek. Like I said, I know I have a granddaughter that likes studs, so I'll probably pass those on to her. But let's go ahead and take off this Tony Moly mask and the gel mask. Well, they came off with the mask. That seems to happen here lately. I want to go ahead and wrap this up, and this feels really good. And I hope y'all are having a great day and continue to have a good week. That's basically all I have today. I just wanted to get my mask going, and I really love this. This has done a good job. It feels really good. And I think that did well under my eyes. Another great mask, and Tony Moly masks are really good, and so are Patchology. And those were the two that I used. I had this eye mask, and I had the red wine Tony Moly Pore Care. That is my Mask Monday today. That's all I have. I will have a collaboration coming out on November 1st, and it will be a very fun collaboration with some very nice ladies. Be on the lookout for that. And as for today and Mask Monday, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.